Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Mama Zini and Mo's channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload more videos, you get notified. Thank you very much. Join me as I make my second daughter's hair and get her ready for school on Monday. Thank you very much. Remain blessed.